Hey guys, welcome to this week's video series that corresponds with the weekly risk management newsletter. This week we are talking about the Louisiana New Home Warranty Act and getting builders to fix problems on a new construction home. So in the newsletter that you just read, the fact scenario is that a buyer purchased a home. The buyer has lived in the home for about 6 months. The buyer is starting to see problems with the home, and the buyer is having trouble getting in touch with his or her builder to fix those problems. So the buyer has now come to you. Naturally, the first person that a buyer is always going to come to is they're going to go back to their realtor, and they're going to say, hey, I'm having this problem. What do I do? Well, the first thing that you don't want to do is you don't want to provide any legal advice. What you do want to do is you want to point that buyer in the direction of an attorney. Something that is very important for you to keep in mind is that the Louisiana New Home Warranty Act has a 1, a 2, and a 5-year warranty period. So certain items of the home are covered by a 1-year warranty, certain items of the home are covered for 2 years, and certain items of the home are covered for 5 years. If the buyer does not make a claim against their builder within that 1, that 2, or that 5-year period, they're going to lose the right to make a claim against the builder. So the first thing when a buyer contacts you as a real estate agent to say, hey, what do I do? The first thing that you should do is you should point them in the direction of an attorney. Now, some other points about the New Home Warranty Act to keep in mind. Number one, the buyer should not make the repairs on his or her own and then send the bill to the builder. That's not the proper procedure according to the New Home Warranty Act. What the buyer needs to do is the buyer needs to contact the builder and give them an opportunity to remedy the issues firsthand. If the buyer fails to provide the builder with an opportunity to fix the problems first, the buyer could also lose his claim or her claim that way as well. This is not to say that builders try to skirt their responsibility, because they don't. The vast majority of builders that we deal with are very good about responding to buyer complaints, trying to get those things fixed. This is just about giving you knowledge about what does the Louisiana New Home Warranty Act say and how should an agent handle it when the questions come. So we've already talked about that. You get in touch, you point your buyer in the direction of an attorney. If you are a listing agent, this is important for you because you can impress upon your builder, hey, we need to get these problems fixed, because if the builder doesn't get the problems fixed, the New Home Warranty Act states the builder can be liable for damages, the builder can be liable for the attorney's fees that are incurred by the buyer, and the builder can be liable for the court costs that are associated with any complaint that the buyer has to file against the builder. So that's pretty much it for this week. Look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks.